Oh, hey, it's Bill, right? New guy.
Yeah.
Gary.
Sorry, still for the first week, so.
Don't worry about it. How you settling in?
Oh, doing all right, but my back's acting up a bit. What are you gonna do?
Oh no, what happened?
Well, I got in a bit of a row with the old bunch. Got kicked out of bed for a few days.
You know, sleep on the couch, huh?
Now we don't have a couch. Want anything from the vending machine?
No.
Okay.
Why don't you have a couch? Why don't you have a couch? Come back here! Carolyn, get over here.
No, we're not friends.
Carolyn, just get over here.
Fine.
So, just met the new guy.
Yeah, he seems like a nice guy, Bill.
So get this. I think his wife is a bird.
Oh yeah, okay, why do you
So he comes in here and I'm talking to him, right?
Okay.
He says his wife kicked him out of the bed.
Yeah, that's a weird thing to share.
Don't focus on that. He says his wife kicks him out of bed.
Okay.
And I said, oh, she's got you sleeping on the couch, huh? And he says, no, we don't have a couch.
Okay, well, I don't think that really like proves anything. So
Okay, let me ask you this. Who doesn't have couches? I'll tell you who. Birds. Birdhouses don't have couches. I know, I've built them.
I think you're just picking nothing out of straws here, okay? True story. Like I don't think that means anything. I got a delivery here for some ink.
Oh, yep, that's me.
Yeah, well, this doesn't prove anything.
Yeah, ink. What do you need ink for? Don't tell it. Don't answer it. I'll say
I don't know how you need to say for it. It doesn't even matter.
Ink. What do you need ink for? Pens. What kind of pens? The dippy kind. What do those dippy pens have? Feathers! That's right! Boom shakalaka! This guy's wife's a bird!
You are an absolute idiot. That doesn't prove anything. Anything right now. Literally nothing.
Okay. You have a good one. You're my favorite delivery person. I'll see you later. What a nice guy. Hey, Carolyn, how you doing? What you eating there? Tuna fish? Smells good, but not for me, okay? My better half's gonna swing by and take me out to lunch. And full-on vegetarian, that is.
Good job, man. Good job. Great.
Hey, Bill.
Yeah.
Some birds are vegetarian, aren't they?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
I told you so.
Hey, what are you guys doing over there?
Work stuff, don't worry about it.
Doesn't worry about it.
Hey, Billy boy.
Cool nickname.
You're welcome. Quick question for you.
Okay.
Where'd you work before this?
Antique store.
Birds are basically dinosaurs, the biggest and people of all.
That doesn't even mean anything because it's fucking trivia.
Next question. Bill, what would you call a good score in golf?
A birdie?
Yeah. Good job.
Rest my case.
Or an eagle?
No.
Exactly.
No.
Or a home run?
That 2 out of 3 is not bad.
All of that is trivia. It doesn't mean anything. Just chill the
Let me ask you this, Bill. What's your favorite movie?
Oh, Mission Impossible 4.
Okay, that's weird. I'm not gonna lie, it's weird.
Directed by Brad Bird.
You're a fan.
Final question. Colonel Jessup, did you or did you not order the code red?
Sorry, what's that?
Ooh, I got a little carried away.
Yeah, you did.
What I meant to say
God.
was,
Fuck.
is your wife a bird?
My wife is not a bird.
It's a bad time.
My husband is a bird. Come on, we're out of here.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole. Asshole.
Well, then in this one specific case, I guess I am anti-gay marriage.